Hello everyone, welcome back to Staying Local. Today we are going to give you a tour to an old village of Scotland, Culross, which is also a shooting location of the famous television series Outlander. We took bus X55 from Princess Street. This bus took us to Dunfermline. From there, we took bus 8A to take us to Culross. This is the Sunday market of the village. The village looks across the River Forth. During the 16th and 17th centuries, the town was a center of the coal mining industries. In 1590, the Moat Pit was constructed. It was the first coal mine in the world to extend under the sea. Culross's secondary industry was salt panning. Sir George Bruce developed this subterranean coal mine just off the end of this pier. The pier was under construction, so we were not allowed beyond this point. Culross is a popular tourist place. As you can see, this small village was crowded by tourists. This is Culross Palace, one of the shooting locations of the famous television series Outlander. Culross is renowned as one of Scotland's most picturesque villages. Its steep cobbled causeways, with their white-walled, red-roofed buildings, can regularly be spotted on films and television. While walking on these cobbled streets, you will find the Bessie's Cafe on a cozy corner. They have this beautiful outside sitting area as well as a warm interior. Their scones are highly recommended. This was the village council meeting place and the jail. Many people of the time, mainly women, were imprisoned, tried and executed for practicing witchcraft. Culross is famed for the high number of witches imprisoned here, which contributes to the dark history of this place. Walking up the steep cobbled streets, we reached the Market Cross, which was the local village trading area. This was one of the Outlander shooting locations as well. Walking ahead by the charming houses and the attractive doors, we reached the Hanging Gardens. We could see the whole village in front of us as a canvas from here. The Hanging Gardens is a part of the Culross Palace. These steps will take you down to the village. The Locket Well was once the sole water supply for the town, fed by a stream from the mountains. Then we reached the Culross Abbey, unfortunately, which was closed due to a potential risk of danger. However, this is also an important historic site and worth a visit. Finally, after having our heart filled by the beautiful village, we came to the 5 coastal path. When you are in Culross, apart from visiting the village, you can also take a walk around this coastal path. So this was all about today's video. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please like the video, share with your friends and family, and drop your valuable feedback. We will be back soon with another beautiful destination. Thanks for watching.